friends. In today's video, we're talking about Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. That will be starting on December the 26th, which is the day after Christmas. And typically this runs from the 26th to the third week of January. I have been covering this probably longer than I've been couponing, so this is a very quick video on what to anticipate if you love Bath & Body Works. Again, the dates, we're probably going to get an email either on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day saying, hey, semi-annual sale is happening. Happens twice a year in December and in the summertime, like June-ish. So twice a year, hence semi-annual sale, and it runs for about 3 weeks. Items are up to 75% off if you go to an outlet, possibly 90%. Google your location and if you might have a Bath & Body Works outlet, especially if you live in the Midwest, Ohio, Michigan, the areas near the manufacturing plant, we tend to get a lot more special items at outlets, so definitely that's the place to check it out, especially if you're a collector. Typically the first weekend, which is the 26th, 27th, 28th, candles are as cheap as $6. I've seen in the last couple years. They pull out all the stops to get you in the store, so there are certain flavors of candles that probably 3 wicks that didn't do very well. Those will be the $6, or possibly at outlets ones with prints that were off or tags that were off, $6, which are always very nice to get. So typically when you walk in the store during the semi-annual sale, items up to 75% off. They'll have these bins that you get to fish through. A lot of them have body wash, lotions, perfume sprays, and then at specifically outlets, they have the $1, $2, and $3 tables. And what I've noticed that's been appearing in these cheap little tables is, Bath & Body Works did like a laundry thing for scent beads and liquids. I have been seeing a lot of that stuff steeply discount specifically at outlets, so I'm hoping it ends up in the $2 bin. Wouldn't that be just glorious? Some bins are up to 50% off, but you have to fish through them, and it can get hectic and busy in the stores the first couple days of this, so just plan some patience, but you can really find a lot of diamonds in the roughs, especially if there was a summer scent, Halloween scent, something that you really wanted, and then poof, it just appears, along with they sprinkle a lot of Christmas because they want it gone and sold. Now, typically we get a mailer, or you will see this in the app, which is a 10 off of 40. It's usually 1 per account. So depending what you use, if you're a big app user, it's probably going to show up maybe Christmas Eve around there. And then if you get the home mailers, and I know not everybody gets the home mailers, you could sign up for the app for free. And I think for new signups, you get a 10 off of 30. But for us older users that have established accounts, we're probably going to see this 10 off of 40 float in because they want you in the store shopping and buying absolutely everything. Now, this is a couponing savings page, and we like to maximize our savings. If you have either Fetch, Rewards, or IBOTTA, 2 different savings apps, and you have gift cards or points accrued for gift cards or cash accrued for IBOTTA for a gift card, Bath & Body Works, you can get gift cards for both. The IBOTTA app, you can actually get your gift card immediately, which is like really great. At Fetch, it takes 72 hours to process the gift card, which I don't fully understand. It used to be immediate, but now you have to wait 3 days. So if you were going to get your ducks in a row for that, probably on either the 22nd or 23rd of December, like right before Christmas, $25 or $50 gift card, apply for it so it's ready to rock and roll on the 26th. And I would try to get out that first weekend so you can find the really cool stuff. And I have been shopping the sale longer than I've been couponing, so I'll be really honest, it's that first 3 days that you could find a lot of diamonds in those bins. And don't be shy to be friendly with the employees at the store. Where's the dollars table? Where's the cheap stuff? They could point you immediately because they curated all this stuff for the different displays, and they could be like, it's here, it's there. Make really good friends with the employees because, here's a good example. That Grandma's Fruitcake, which is a very odd, it's like right up there with pickle. It's actually a really pleasant smell. And one of the managers at my local store pointed that out to me. She's like, hey, check this out. And she told me, she's like, these are not moving because of the name. She's like, they will probably be like $3 during the semi-annual sale, $3.74, which is way cheaper than Body Care Day. So I have my eye on Libra and this Grimace fruitcake because it's really cool. And it seems like a haha sort of gift, but it's an actually beautiful berry, strawberry scented, summery body spray, which I really like. Whatever you really want to haul, if it's candles, hand soaps, those pocket backs, body sprays, whatever it is, you can definitely make it happen at the semi-annual sale and get quite the collection going on a very small budget. And that is the beauty of the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I will link one of my hauls from earlier this year over here if you want to check it out and see what I got, I think for like $50. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, will you be going to the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, and are you excited for this event? We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.